How to repair rusty pool walls. Use a wire brush to remove surface rust from the pool wall. Use a straight edge to mark around the problem area. Use an angle grinder to cut out the marked area. File down the edges to remove metal burrs. Spray self-etching primer over the surrounding area. Cut a new piece of sheet metal that will cover the cutout hole in the pool wall. Apply an all-purpose silicone caulk around the perimeter of hole. Place the new sheet metal over the hole, then drill a hole into one of the corners and through the pool wall. Insert a rivet into the newly drilled hole and compress with a rivet gun. Once secured, drill holes around the entire perimeter of the new sheet metal with approximately 1-inch spacing and install rivets. On the outside of the pool wall, drill holes along the edge of the cutout hole with approximately 1-inch spacing. Install rivets in the previously drilled holes from the inside of the pool. Spray self-etching primer over the entirety of the installed sheet metal. For added protection, apply wall foam before installing liner. You have successfully repaired your rusty pool walls. If you have any additional questions, leave a comment down below, or visit us over at inyopools.com for all your swimming pool and spa needs. Thank you.